Today we're going to learn how to draw a mandala. A mandala is an excellent way to learn about radial symmetry. Radial symmetry is when you can draw a line down the center of an object at multiple different angles, and it will be two equal halves on both sides. For this project, you will need vellum or tracing paper, a dark pen, permanent pen works best, scissors, and you will need to create a circle. You can do this with a compass, or you can find any circular object in your house. I decided to use this bowl because it's pretty large and it'll take up a lot of space on my paper. When you trace, hold your pen straight up and down, and once you have your circle traced, you're going to cut it out. We're going to divide our circle up into 8 equal pieces. So to do this, you're going to fold your circle in half, fold it in half again, and then fold it in half one more time, making a total of 3 folds. With your circle still folded, you're going to take your pen and begin to make a series of lines and shapes on this little pie slice of your circle. Make sure that many of these lines and shapes start and stop on the outer edge of this little pie slice of your circle. This is going to create some continuous designs when you unfold it in the end. The more detail you put in, the more fantastic your mandala is going to be, so take your time. Once you like your designs, you're going to unfold your circle so that it's half of a circle, and you're going to trace that design where it appears in another pie slice. I put a piece of white paper behind my mandala because it makes it a bit easier to trace when you have a very light background behind your paper. And now you need to trace this design in all of the remaining segments of the circle. So open up your circle and fold it down a different central line to be able to trace the design in an empty space. Continue this until you have your design traced in all 8 pie slices. When you're finished tracing, open your mandala up and see your beautiful design. Take a moment to go around the edges and connect any lines that maybe don't connect all the way. This will happen, but it's easy to fix with your pen. And now you get to color your mandala in. I always like to glue my finished mandala onto a piece of white paper when I'm finished. If you enjoyed this video, please like, leave a comment, and subscribe to Art Saves the Day for more art tutorials for all ages.